Hey guys, this video is me reacting to a guy's channel named Lipstick Garage. He's a really cool guy. Go watch his channel. He does great parodies of very great parodies. My voice is actually in this video, which is kind of funny, especially when he pairs it with the images with him. So if you're new, go watch this video. We did a reaction. I lost my shit. I watched it last night with Dad, and me and Dad laughed our asses off. I did this again this afternoon when I recorded my first reaction. So, Barry, if you're watching this, I hope you laugh, dude. Just laugh at yourself with your 10-second charger. Alrighty, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, go check out this channel right here. This channel is freaking awesome. His channel is cool as hell. There's our favorite person. I don't think it'll open up. But there's our favorite person with lipstick on. So we scroll down here. Let's click on the cold start video. He does an awesome reaction to this. Barry got me and this dude confused, so I'm gonna set the record straight.
Hello everybody, you're back with
the Beamer Estate. Look at him, he is such a handsome fellow.
Bags and
Order.
Clothes, so. That's not why we're on here.
See the cat shell on the ground right there? There's Racing Blaster, 200 cc's.
But it looks like it's gonna fall off. And
look, this dude's actually got some cool stuff. Square body Chevy. Holy shit, look, there's Beamer's dog. Oh, and he's feeding him what Beamer feeds him.
so today we'll be doing a cold start of my 1978 Camaro. That's a Camaro that I went to elementary school prom in. We were getting high in band class off Whiteout, and I wrapped it around a tree going 146.5 miles an hour.
That's good shit.
Guys, I'm lucky to be here, and I'm glad to have you back.
It's good.
Just get here.
This dude's awesome. This dude's awesome. He's so awesome. Hey Barry, there's a real Camaro.
Our door's locked because our neighbors keep stealing stuff.
It's taller than yours.
We'll have to go around to the other side.
I just started smoking cigarettes while writing songs about a girl who wishes that we never met. Somebody stop
Hell yeah.
losing all my friends again. These ideas that just don't make no sense.
Dude, this is good. He is hotter than a motherfucker right now. Oh, fuck me. Look, there's Barry driving double-footed. Oh, fuck me, this is good shit.
Well, you don't want to start today. Well, I promised you guys a cold start, so we're going to do this one.
Oh, fuck, it's good. You guys need to go check this out. This channel is awesome.
Winning!
Oh, shit. He's Barry's live. This is good.
Somebody stop me, I just started smoking cigarettes while writing songs about a girl who wishes that
Look.
somebody stop me, I'm losing all my friends again.
Look.
These ideas that just
And my lips look good. Oh, hell. 21-year-old man, you're that attracted to me? Like, that's me. He's pissed.
stop me, I'm
This channel's awesome. Big shout out to Lipstick Garage. He's amazing. All right, we're done here.